to the video, guys. This was the plate. Oh. This one is rich. One rock. So, this clip, guys, we will use this one. We will use this one yesterday at night. So, that's why mini plate, no? I watch this one while sleeping my baby. So, because if they wake up, cannot do this. Because crying always. Difficult to do this if my baby is wake up. Guys, if you want come to me, show to watch also plate. This is my love. Na 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 Then later let's clean the house. Then wash the clothes. Any work. When you in at home, too much work. Good morning. Oh, how is your morning, guys? So my morning is like this. This is my morning. What's the plate? Oh, how is your morning there? Oh, good morning, everybody. Good morning, everyone. Oh, this is your Inday. Very always busy. Oh, always busy Inday. This is your beloved Inday. Oh. Thank you so much to all of you guys to always support me, support my channel. Thank you for watching me always. Okay, kung saan na ni? Wala na, wild na ni diri. Nasuko na ni diring kabo. Inday when she wake up, later when Inday wake up, Inday she will help me to clean the floor, and then she help me to clean the floor and mop the floor. And then Inday this one because no unsaning nga nana. No bangira, no. Oh, no washing plate area. Oh, so Inday, she cannot do this one now. Maybe later, Second, if already have what is this washing area, like this. I don't know in the English what's that in the Bisaya is lababo. I don't know. No. This one, Inday, when she do this one, it's difficult for her because like this. No washing plate area or no area like this. What's that? What do you calling that one? Basta sa Bisaya, walay hugasan ng plato. Oh. Na 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 na. This is my morning. How is your morning? My morning. This is my morning. This is my morning. How is yours? Morning, Lord. It's morning, Lord. If not eating, the people, the person, ang tao, dili mo kaon, dili ta magbukas og plato. If not eat the rice, if not eat any food, no washing plate. If you not eat, I don't know why the people always eat. Nothing in the mind, eat, kaon ba? Sige kaon, why always eating, oy? The people always eating. I like this. Too much washing plate. Because always eat. I don't know. Why need to eat? Very busy if always eat. If you always eat, very busy. If you not eat, no washing plate. If you not eat, but not good also if not eat. No energy if you not eat. So that's why we need to eat. So like this. So, bye-bye. Thank you for watching.